as a Russian column of armored vehicles were going for an offensive, having 2 tanks in the front, followed by 3 armored fighting vehicles and lastly a T-90M tank. While offering a formidable firepower, the column can also easily be vulnerable if spotted within striking range of multiple Ukrainian weapon systems. This time Ukraine was ready with a swarm drone attack, sending one after another of FPV drones striking the vehicles. While uncertain exactly how the swarm attack ended in lost equipment for Russia, at least 8 FPV drone strike occurred, most likely leaving retreating vehicles if any after the strikes, resulting in more Russian lost equipment, leaving a lot less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.